Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming firmware and device software. This matters because updates often fix audio artifacts. Once done, visually inspect ear tips and speaker mesh. Debris changes pressure and causes noise. Make sure noise control is off and switch to transparency or off to isolate the problem. Then test with one bud in mono to see if noise is bilateral or single ear. If you hear buzzing only in one side, it narrows it to that bud or its seal, saving time before deeper fixes. Next, you do a deeper clean and repair process because physical grime and pairing glitches are common noise sources. Gently brush and wipe with a 70% isopropyl cloth, taking care not to let liquid enter the mesh. Once clean, forget the AirPods in Bluetooth settings and reset them by holding the case button about 15 seconds. This clears corrupted settings. Also, make sure to reduce radio interference by disabling other Bluetooth devices and moving away from crowded Wi-Fi bands. Finally, you confirm whether the issue is the AirPods or the source by testing them on a different device. That quickly isolates the fault. If noise persists after reset, cleaning, and firmware updates, it's likely hardware. Contact Apple support or visit an authorized service provider for repair or replacement. Make sure to document when the noise happens and record a short clip, having a sample speeds diagnosis. If you need immediate relief, use transparency or wired earphones until the service appointment.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.